In this video, we'll be giving you an overview of our knowledge base. You can access the knowledge base from our main website by clicking the Resources, Support, and Knowledge Base tabs, or by visiting knowledge.planettogether.com. To search for a specific topic, you can start by selecting a category to see a list of articles. Or you can type in a question or keyword in the search bar and then select the relevant article. As you're reading, you can find related articles by clicking the underlined text or by selecting an article at the bottom of the page. Our articles are organized into different categories. You can find information on error codes and solutions to common issues, articles that explain the many features of the software, IT reference guides and system requirements, installation instructions and release notes, guides for our ERP integrations, resources for partners, descriptions and requirements for mapping data, KPI calculations, and guides for coding customizations and using APIs. Visit knowledge.planettogether.com to get started, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.